Good day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Wednesday, March 29th, 2023. It is 6:57 and 27 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, ultrafine pollution. So let's hop to it here. Vehicle exhaust filters do not remove ultrafine pollution. Date March 27, 2023. Source: University of Birmingham. As filters fitted to vehicle exhaust systems to remove particulate matter pollution have limited impact on ultrafine particles, new research shows. Airborne particles from vehicle emissions are a major contributor to air pollution levels. Exhaust filters designed to mitigate this pollution have been a legal requirement in new cars since 2011 and in heavy-duty vehicles since 2013. The filters are able to remove the majority of larger solid particles, but a new study published in Environmental International shows they are less effective at removing smaller liquid particles. While the World Health Organization has not yet set a guideline for safe levels of ultrafine particles, it recognizes that particulate pollution overall is associated with negative impacts on cardiovascular and respiratory health. Air quality guidelines published by World Health Organization in 2021 also outline concerns over ultrafine particles and their ability to be transported around the body. The research shows clearly that current, widely used filters are not effective against these smaller particles, and they welcome recommendations from the World Health Organization that surveillance of these measurements increase in note with concern that current concentrations measured in London are classified as high. The team used data collected in from a monitoring station in Marylebone Road in London. Air quality sampling at this site has produced the most comprehensive long-term dataset in the world, containing data for particle mass and number dating back to 2010. The data showed a steep decline in larger particles. Black carbon, for example, declined by 81% between 2014 and 2021. This is a clear indication that there has been a positive impact from the introduction of exhaust filters. In contrast, however, the number of particles described as ultrafine, smaller than 100 nanometers, reduced by only 26%. The smallest group of particles, measuring less than 30 nanometers, did not reduce at all, giving a clear indication that filters are not effective against these types of particles. World Health Organizations define concentrations of ultrafine particles above 10,000 per cubic centimeter as high, and concentrations measured at the Marylebone Road site were around twice this level. The high concentrations of ultrafine particles are likely to be a widespread and persistent phenomenon. In order to meet World Health Organization guidelines, are likely to need a much higher uptake of electric vehicles, as well as additional measures to reduce emissions from diesel vehicles. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.